The MoKo case for the Fire HD 8 tablet, 7th generation 2017 release only. Hi, this is Rob, sharing with you my new MoKo case for the HD tablet, the Fire HD 8 tablet. I've used this case for 4 weeks now. It seems to be just fine, in good shape, and I'll take it off the tablet so you can get a better look at it. Right, this case is specifically made for the Fire HD 8 2017 version tablet. So all the cutouts for controls, speakers, SD slot, all those kinds of things are functional and available to you. Everything works just as it did without the case. Right, the case is flexible, and it makes it makes the tablet a lot easier to hold, and it gives you some sense that that you're protecting the case in a lot of ways from fingerprints and such, at least on the side. Okay, yeah, right, there's no manual. I'm just guessing that this is the best way. It's only the second time I put this in since I bought it, since the first time I've been using it and then took it out just now. This is the second time I've put it in. Yeah, a little more. Okay, that did it. Now, so that wasn't too bad. The case is on. Here I'm showing this is the top, the USB, the headphones, the power switch, SD card here with the rear-facing camera, all showing just fine and functional, and the 2 speakers on the other side are revealed there, as well as the I want to talk to you about the volume control. Okay, that's the power switch, so it turns on just fine. And here I am, okay, working the volume control on the left side, so you can see that the volume control works fine with this case. And then I want to share also my reasoning for getting this particular case. This is on my on the left is my OtterBox case I use for my cell phone. I've had that for 4 years. It survived a lot of rough and tough wear, and so I like that style case. So that's what I basically got for my Fire HD case. I don't think, however, that it will protect as much from dropping, so be aware of that. Okay, that's my review of the HD 8 case. I hope that you enjoyed that.